This video will guide you how to replace the wall block in the Mercedes 222 S-Class. This model year 2015 and this car is the S400. The location of the wall block is the front left side under the fender cover near the airmatic compressor. So what is the role of the wall block? Wall block which distribute air to the suspension typically needs replacement. When it's required to replace, it's experience like issue like uneven ride height, suspension warning light on, air leaks or poor ride quality. This problem can be caused by worn out components. Even ride height. One corner of the vehicle may itself lower than the other. Suspension warning lights like the dashboard may display suspension related warning message. So these are the it's a symptoms for failure. They have individual solenoid inside, maybe solenoid failure. For replacement, just remove the fender cover little bit, push one side, and there are two screws for this one, and they have this air line you can see here according to color. Just remove and fix it, and only one electrical connectors and they have for the solenoid wall block, sorry. And after that nothing need to, just we have to normalize and check the body height of the all are equal.